And government is taking strong measures in order to curb black money. The Benami Transactions Prohibition Amendment Act 2016 has come into effect from yesterday. Well, that means if in any case any transaction where property is held by one person and the amount for it is paid by another person and the name of the person who paid the money is not mentioned, that will be considered as Benami transaction. So what are the highlights of this Benami Transaction Act? Let's take a look. A new law to prohibit illegal Benami transactions, under which up to 7 years of imprisonment and penalty for those indulging in such activities could be handed out, has come into effect from November. Let's take a look as to what is Benami transaction. A Benami transaction is one where a property is held by one person and the amount for it is paid by another person. Therefore, in a Benami transaction, the name of the person who paid the money is not mentioned. Directly or indirectly, the Benami transaction is done to benefit the one who pays. But let's also understand what is not a Benami transaction. Property held under the name of spouse or child for which the amount is being paid through a known source of income. A joint property with brother, sister or other relatives for which the amount is paid out of known source of income. Let us also understand what falls under Benami transaction. Assets of any kind, movable, immovable, tangible, intangible, any right or interest or legal documents. As such, even gold or financial securities could qualify to be Benami. It is being done to curb on black money. People with unaccounted income will sure have a tough time ahead. As for the general public, it won't be much of an issue if their transactions are legal. Bureau Report, DD News.